Welcome to WEIR Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of March 13th, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is naps. The Napping House by Audrey Wood, illustrated by Dawn Wood. There is a house, a napping house, where everyone is sleeping. And in that house there is a bed, a cozy bed, and a napping house, where everyone is sleeping. And on that bed there is a granny, a snoring granny, on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that granny there is a child, a dreaming child, on a snoring granny, on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that child there is a dog, a dozing dog, on a dreaming child, on a snoring granny, on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that dog there is a cat, a snoozing cat, on a dozing dog, on a dreaming child, on a snoring granny, on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that cat there is a mouse, a slumbering mouse, on a snoozing cat, on a dozing dog, on a dreaming child, on a snoring granny, on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping. And on that mouse there is a flea. Can it be a wakeful flea? On a slumbering mouse, on a snoozing cat, on a dozing dog, on a dreaming child, on a snoring granny, on a cozy bed in a napping house where everyone is sleeping? A wakeful flea who bites the mouse, who scares the cat, who claws the dog, who thumps the child, who bumps the granny, who breaks the bed in the napping house where no one now is sleeping. The end. We're going to make a napping house story stick. So your craft to go kit includes a paint stirrer, and pictures of everything that was in the napping house story. And what you'll need is something to color with. I'm using crayons. Put them over here. And you'll need a glue stick to glue the parts on. So the first thing you're going to do is color all the little things in here. So we'll start with the bed and move our way up. And then we'll put it all together. Okay, now that they're all colored, it's time to put them on the story stick. So the first part, we had a cozy bed. So we're just gonna put the cozy bed right on there. Maybe we better put it all the way up here. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a slit here where it goes through. So we'll put this down here. Work it up through the slit. Okay. So there's our cozy bed. Now, who was the first one in the bed? It was the snoring granny. So we're gonna lay her right in the bed, put her on the stick, but also on the bed part. There she is, snoring granny. And who was on top of the granny? It was the child. So we'll put the child on top of granny. And who was on the child? It was the dog. Put the dog right on top of the child. I want to cover his face. And then there was the cat. The cat was on the dog. Who was on the child, who was on the granny, who was on the bed. Then on top of the cat, we had the mouse. So we'll stick the little mouse right on top of the little kitty. And then we had the wakeful flea who woke everyone up. We'll put that flea right on top of the mouse. And that's all there is to it. Now, anytime you want, you can take out your story stick and tell the whole story of the napping house.